Alright, y'all. I have been collecting balloons for about 6 years now. I find them out in the forest, when I'm out for walks, sometimes on a trail, sometimes in the middle of nowhere. And it makes me sad every time I find them. Happy birthday. Congratulations, graduate.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, people are celebrating someone for a reason, and they let a balloon go. Maybe they didn't do it intentionally. Maybe they did. But whatever it was, they bought a helium balloon and let it go. And it ends up in the woods, stuck in a tree, in a bush. And this is how many I have now. I have an entire milk crate full. So today I'm going to dress a tree in balloons just to show you what 6 years of balloon gathering results in. If there's anything you could take from this, is number one, personal responsibility. Don't buy helium balloons. I know they're cool, but they get tangled and stuff. They float away. And second, reach out to your state legislators. Say you'd be looking into getting a ban on helium balloons. So here we go. We're gonna drape a tree in some balloons today.